part of my journey to here was obviously a point in my life where, and I'll start here to guys get you kind of grounded in this moment because we're gonna, I hope, have some real sharing and story to kind of figure out how each of you can actually adopt some of these ideas for yourself. Not all of them. These are truths, meaning once you learn them, you're gonna have a hard time unlearning them, but it's gonna help you unlearn things that do not serve you well. With that, some of you, all of you probably heard Forbes' story and how we connected, our kind of genesis story of working at ASU, and I was teaching startup school, and Forbes came in and really connected with them, really sharp, eager to learn, eager to share, eager to help. And I always tell people at ASU, if you ever need help or you ever want to just have coffee, I give people my number. I then say after it, I go, 95% of you will not ever reach out to anyone that offers help. And I think that's what this community will really be about, is when people need help, is my goal is that these truths, and as you learn them and have this common experience, they actually reach out and get help from each other, whatever that help is. And I think all of us are leaders in certain areas of our lives, and all of us have struggles in others. And I say that we're human, right? So the bottom line is we all can grow from each other. What I don't want you to think this is, because there's so much stuff about leadership development, is that this is a thinking process to make your own. It's not about me. In fact, it's more about sharing this and then you figuring out what it is to you. I think so many people have like methodologies or motivational speaking that you walk in and then you're like pumped up for 2 days and then you go back to your life. And I'll share some of the methodologies of why this will be different for you, or my goal is for it to be different. And I've done this in companies hundreds of times. I've never really done it where people didn't have some common experience. So thank you all for being here and kind of launching this, because you're the first 10 of an exponential goal to really get 1 million exponential leaders, or what I would rather call warm, decent human beings. People that think big because they're more conscious and think about others, and that serves them well. And those are going to be some words I use over and over again because it's become something that served me well and helped me handle kind of adversity and overcome a lot of different obstacles, which we all have had obstacles. We all have trauma and regrets and resentment and stress, anxiety, all those things, though we'll talk about those. And I have some mental models to help people through those, but actually so you clear your mind so that you can start thinking more exponential about who you are and how you can impact this world.